She said the rain stopped? What are you holding?
Yeah.
What's that called?
I don't know.
It's called a rake. Can you say rake?
Wait.
Rake. What do you do with it?
Do that. Do that.
You do that? Oh. So you going in the backyard now?
No. I'm ready for Lou.
Okay.
I can't eat that stuff.
You cleaning them up?
That.
Uh-huh.
That would be my water. That is that stuff.
You took your hood off?
It's kind of raining.
Oh. Why'd you put it back on?
It's was raining a little bit.
Oh, okay. What are those?
What?
Those
Flowers.
Flowers? Whose?
Mommy's.
Oh. Okay, well go to work.
What?
Go to work.
I need the doorway open.
Why?
To feed that bird, I need a shovel now.
Why do you need a shovel?
I need to all the dirt down. The door.
Get all the dirt out?
No.
Okay, I'll see you later, okay?
Why?
I have to go inside now.
Not how much?
Bye-bye.
No. Don't take it there.
Oh, okay.
Hello, this is Gary Ginsberg reporting. I am now making a Lego ship that is completely new, and here's the directions.
What is this, pirate ship?
No, this is a ship that later on I'm going to get the bigger ship, the mothership of this, and this is a ship that stops pirates.
Well, it stops pirates. It stops the pirate ships. It's like a
Stops
police ship
pirates.
from a long time ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sort of like this old ruined ship, and this other ship I've been taking things off and putting things on. Police. So
Yeah.
I like this 500 years before I was made.
Well, I got you. Okay. So you're going to have to concentrate pretty hard on this? Okay.
I am reporting from 29 Marble Street. My phone number is 462-6205, and so long.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.